In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in the newer key fobs. So, in case you haven't seen, these guys are a little bit more involved than the previous ones. You're pressing this little guy here, and you kind of pull it down and then out, which I got stuck on mine. Down, then out. And of course, you have the physical key right here. Now, the battery itself lives right in here. So what we have to do is basically pry it out. There's a little tiny groove along the top that you can take. Oh, look, exact size of this. Take this in, push in the groove, and just kind of wiggle it back and forth and push out. That'll give you access to your battery in here. Still the same size battery as before, CR20 or CR2032. Just make sure whenever you put it in, main side is up. That goes in here. Now it does have a little dust shield.